For the socio-economic development of Pakistan, we need to know our resources such as the information about educated and skilled workforce as per market demands. However, it's a daunting task to search for appropriate job or a skilled worker. The National Employment Exchange tool makes it easy. However, if you are seeking a job or employer, then visit Government of Pakistan accredited job portal www.jobs.gov.pk to get all necessary information regarding occupational guidance, job placement services or required skilled manpower. If you are a skilled person and looking for a job, please click here to search the job as per the categories of profession, gender, country, province or nature of job. Click on employer to gather all information about employment opportunities in various fields from all over the country and get complete information along with contact details. Employers may register through this menu to get access to skilled workforce. Enter your email address and password and you will be sent a link on your email address. Click on the link and fill the registration form to get registered on the portal to advertise job vacancies free of cost and explore suitable candidates. Here you can locate our career counseling and job placement centers for walk-in support across Pakistan. Users can send their queries through given email or our toll-free number. Get registered at www.jobs.gov.pk. Next is the initiative of Prime Minister's KAMYAB Hunarmand Pakistan program, which is implemented by the National Vocational and Technical Training Commission.